Good afternoon. Welcome to another video for adding a new event in this case. In the last video, I added a new item, I believe, or a new brand, and it took me a long time to create a pull request. So it's a long video. It is working eventually, but not the way it was supposed to be. Now we are a little bit further. We have some more knowledge, and I'm going to create a new video about adding a new event, which is basically the same as adding a new brand. So follow along, pause the video if needed, and let's see what we can do. I've shared my screen. If you go to the first page, the home page, I guess, from GitHub, you see the repository. And in this case, I'm going to create a new branch from main, because main is the main code. That's the true code that we are having right now. So I'm going to create a copy of that one. I go to branches to see what kind of branches there already are. I believe I have to delete some, I guess. And in this case, I am going to create a branch to create a new event. So give that brand a proper name, because you will see the branches, and the more information, or the better the information, the more clear it is why the branch was created in the first place. Adding a new event, creating a video about it. I'm going to create a new branch. The source is main, the real code at this moment. So that's the basic normal way. Now I've created the branch, and if I go to yours, I guess you can see that one, adding a new event, creating a video. I'm still in main at this moment, so I'm going to switch to my copy, if that's the right word. And now I can see that I'm in the branch, adding a new event. In the previous video, I already showed you that if you go to the real application and you go for the event, for instance, World Cleanup Day, you see in the website that World Cleanup Day is one of the events. So if you would be looking for World Cleanup Day, it will tell you that it can be found in the database under the seeders and then in the tag seeder. Now I know this already, so I'm still in my branch and I go directly to that place. It's a database seeders, and it is the tag seeder. And in the tag seeder, there was a change already. Thanks a lot, it's helping enormously. So instead of having the long code line with the slugs and etc., it's now only showing just one word, the name of the event. I've already created a lot of events, facilitating possible partners if they are willing or would like to join. For instance, Cleanup for Sarah. So it's possible to do the Cleanup for Sarah in 2024. I'm going to create a new one, and for that I need to go to the edit mode first. So I go edit the file, then I got the same code in edit mode, and in this case I'm going to insert two new events that I need, which is called Saan de Wandel, which is a Dutch cleanup event, and I'm going to create the Saan de Wandel for general purposes for every year, so you can find what's found in every year. And I'm going to create Saan de Wandel 2024, so you can register the data for that particular year. I'm going to put it on alphabetical order, just for reading purposes, I guess. I'm not sure if it really matters, I believe not, but and in this case I'm just going to copy this one. I'm going to copy it twice because I'm going to create two new ones, which is going to be Saan de Wandel. It's Dutch strange word, this combination of two words actually, but so it's going to be Saan de Wandel, which can be used, and the other one is going to be Saan de Wandel 2024. So basically that's it. Now I've created two new events. Go to the top to see if there's something with a counter, which there is not. So it doesn't matter, it's just a list of events and there is no counter that is needed. So that's it. In order to save my changes, I need to press commit changes. So I'm going to commit them, and they tell you in which file the changes were made and the description. And in this case, it's another description of what I did, adding two new events. And then commit change. And that's it. I've saved the file now. I can go to another file and do some more changes if needed. Well, in this case, I just leave it to this change. If, and I'm not sure, Probably need the bigger screen for that one. Let me see where I need to go now. That was always the problem because now I have committed the changes. Now I want to create a pull request. So I'm going back to the, probably not the way, but anyway, I need to go to the front screen, the first screen. And I'm going to look, you can see it has recent pushes a few seconds ago. And now I can compare a pull and create a pull request. And that's what I need. So I was going to go to the pull request, but it's not necessary. You can see it here already. I am done. It's now up to other people to review it. So I press compare and pull request. This is the name of the file that was added. This is the commit message that I created while saving it. And now I can say create pull request. I also want to assign some people. Just whoever wants to take a look at it is welcome to do. So these are added. Labels project milestone not necessary. I can just say create pull request. And now you can see that a pull request is created. And at this moment it needs review. At least one approving review is right. And then it can be merged. And if it's merged, I get a message saying that the branch can be deleted because it's merged into master. So my branch is not needed anymore at that moment. When you press delete branch, I thought it was really deleting the branch. What if I look over here, somebody with a branch? I don't know. Never mind. You saw the old branch. Oh, here it is. You saw the old branches. So I guess I still have them and I can still delete them. So if I'm sure that this one is merged, I probably have to remove them myself as well. So that's it. Much shorter, I guess. Almost 8 minutes instead of 30 minutes maybe. I hope it helps. If so, let me know. If not, also let me know, of course. See you next time.